Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how I washed my natural hair and how I condition it using silicone mix. I have used the silicone mix on wigs and every time I do I get amazing results, so this is why I want to use it on my natural hair. So I'll start by washing my hair and I'll be using Mega Growth Anti-dandruff shampoo. I really love using this shampoo because it has helped me to control scalp itching and it has also helped in getting rid of dandruff in my hair. So after washing my hair, I went on to rinse off the shampoo. Next, I'll be applying the silicone mix on my hair. So I'm starting by dividing my hair into 4 sections. Then I went on to apply the silicone mix on each section of my hair. I made sure I worked my way through every strand and the tips. I combed through with a white tooth comb and I twisted each section. I repeated the process on all the 4 sections, then I covered my hair up with a nylon bag and waited for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I took down the twist, then I rinsed off the silicone mix. Have you ever used the silicone mix on your natural hair? If you have, will you be trying it again? Let me know your thoughts on this product in the comment section. I am really amazed at the results. My hair feels so soft and feels so nice, all thanks to the silicone mix. I will definitely use this product on my hair again. Kindly like this video if you have enjoyed watching and please do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.